Welcome to our channel. Please like, subscribe and share to your friends.
There is no atmosphere in space, which means that sound has no medium or way to travel to be heard. Astronauts use radios to stay in communication while in space, since radio waves can still be sent and received. Of all the planets in our solar system apart from Earth, Mars is the one most likely to be hospitable to life. In 1986, NASA found what they thought may be fossils of microscopic living things in a rock recovered from Mars. The sheer size of space makes it impossible to accurately predict just how many stars we have. Right now, scientists and astronomers use the number of stars only within our galaxy, the Milky Way, to estimate. That number is between 200 to 400 billion stars, and there are estimated to be billion of galaxies. So the stars in space really are completely uncountable. At 600 kilometers wide and 21 kilometers high, Olympus Mons is a volcano on Mars that may still be active. According to scientists, it is the tallest peak of any planet. However, the Real Sylvia central peak on the asteroid Vesta is taller at 22 kilometers. The Andromeda galaxy is approaching the Milky Way, where our solar system is at rate of around 110 kilometers per second, and eventually the two will collide to form a giant elliptical galaxy. As space facts go, this is pretty impressive. Research by Yale University scientists suggest that a rocky planet called 55 Cancer E, which has a radius twice the Earth's and a mass 8 times greater, may have a surface made up of graphite and diamond. It's 40 light years away but visible to the naked eye in the constellation of Cancer. The moon has no atmosphere, which means there is no wind to erode the surface and no water to wash the footprints away. This means footprints of the Apollo astronauts, along with spacecraft prints, rover prints, and discarded material, will be there for millions of years. Astronomers have found a massive water vapor cloud which holds 140 trillion times the mass of water in the Earth's oceans, somewhere around 10 billion light years away, making it the largest discovery of water ever found. The theory is that when Earth was a relatively young planet, it was struck by a giant object, and this collision broke a piece of the Earth away to create the Moon. This piece then began to orbit the Earth as a result of its gravitational pull. Okay, let's finish our video with an interesting fact about space. If two pieces of the same type of metal touch in space, they will permanently bond. This incredible fact is also known as cold welding, and it happens because the atoms of two pieces of metal have no way of knowing they are separate. This doesn't happen on Earth because of the air and water found between the pieces.
I think you enjoyed the video. For more videos, please like, share and subscribe.